In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Ctrader. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can get help quickly and avoid common back and forth delays. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. If you don't use Gmail, any email app is fine. Create a new message and address it to the official Ctrader support team. You'll find the correct support email on the Ctrader or Spotware website under Support or Contact. Using the official address ensures your request reaches the right queue. Write a clear, concise subject line that names the issue, like Ctrader desktop, can't log in after update, or charts not loading on mobile. In the body, briefly explain what's happening and when it started. Include the version of Ctrader you're using, desktop, web, or mobile, your operating system and device, and your time zone. If the problem occurs with a specific broker account, mention the broker name and whether it's demo or live, but avoid sharing passwords, full account numbers, or any sensitive personal details. Give the exact error message you see and the steps to reproduce the problem in order. For example, describe what you clicked, what you expected, and what actually happened. The more precise you are, the faster support can identify the cause. Attach screenshots or, even better, a short screen recording that shows the issue from start to finish. Make sure any personal information is blurred or cropped out. If the file is large, upload it to a trusted cloud service and share a view-only link. Adding timestamps and noting your time zone helps the team match your report with server logs. Before you send the email, it's worth checking the Ctrader Help Center or knowledge base. You can access it from the Ctrader website or through the platform's help menu. Search using keywords like login, charts, or indicator, and include your device type if relevant. Many common issues, especially login problems, missing or blank charts, and indicator errors, are already explained there with step-by-step fixes and known causes. If you find a solution that works, you can still reply to your own email thread to let support know the issue is resolved. When you're ready, send the email and keep an eye on your inbox. Check your spam or junk folder just in case, and keep replies within the same thread so your case history stays intact. If support asks for more information, respond with the requested details and update any screenshots or recordings. That's it. With a clear email and a quick browse of the Help Center, you'll usually get to a solution much faster.